Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mercedes Me Connect for EV route planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Mercedes Me Connect for EV route planning, begin by ensuring you have an active Mercedes Me account. Download and install the Mercedes Me app from your device's app store. Open the app and log in using your Mercedes Me credentials. Once logged in, locate the Vehicles section on the home screen. Select your electric vehicle from the list provided. Next, navigate to the Settings menu within your vehicle's information panel. Look for the option labeled Mercedes Me Connect and tap to open it. Follow the prompts to enable the service if it is not already activated. Once activated, head back to the main menu of the app. Select Navigation from the available options. Next, tap on Route Planning. Here, you can view available charging stations along your selected route. To set a destination, enter the address in the designated search bar. The app will then calculate the most efficient route for your electric vehicle. Ensure that it includes stops at charging stations if necessary. You can adjust preferences for charging stops based on your needs. Once your route is set, save it or send it to your vehicle for navigation. To do this, select the Send to Vehicle option. Confirm that the route and charging stops are correct before proceeding. Your vehicle will now receive real-time updates on any changes to the route. When ready, start your journey and let the app guide you efficiently. With Mercedes Me Connect, enjoy a seamless EV driving experience with integrated route planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.